I'm going to give you a timeline of my case here. I got married on July 2018 into a U.S. citizen. On May 2019, I got my green card through marriage. On April 2021, spouse and I filed jointly for I-751 or condition removal. On August 2021, we broke up and spouse filed for a divorce. And September 2021, we had our divorce final. On October 22nd, I received a decision of approval in the mail for my I-751 application, and it was approved and got my 10-year green card and did not get any request for interview or anything like that. I just received the notice and 10-year card in the mail. So can I file for naturalization now?
No, you're going to have a problem because you removed the conditions after a divorce. You needed to convert your case to a waiver case, and you never did that. You got approved based on a bona fide marriage when you were no longer in a bona fide marriage. So if you were to file for your citizenship, the government would say you're not a lawful resident and you're not eligible for citizenship. I know it's not your fault. I'm just telling you what would happen. So we have to fix this issue. We got to go back to immigration. We have to ask them to reopen your I-751 and adjudicate it based as a waiver. I know you don't want to hear that, but I mean, go file your citizenship and call me 9 months and when you get a letter saying you're not a resident. What happened was once you are divorced, you are not in a bona fide marriage. And it's your responsibility to tell immigration the day you're divorced, you're not in a bona fide marriage anymore and request a waiver. And you didn't do that. And whether it was a couple of weeks or months or 2 months or 3 months, whatever it was, whatever it went by, they approved your case believing you're living with your spouse when you were not. And they believed you were in a bona fide marriage when you were not. So when you go to apply for your citizenship, it's all going to come out. And then they're going to accuse you of all sorts of bad things that wasn't your fault.
What would be the best that I should do?
Have a consultation with me, and then we'll figure it out. But I think you're going to have to reopen your case.
Like filing the I-751 again and then file for...
Filing your motion to reopen.
Okay. Okay, we'll do that. Thank you.